Many gardeners pour time and effort into their plants, watering, fertilizing, hoping for lush growth. Yet the more we intervene with chemical fertilizers, the weaker our plants seem to become. These quick fixes force rapid growth, but at a cost: shallow roots and fragile plants. The soil's natural life, microbes, fungi, earthworms, declines, and the ground compacts, losing its ability to hold water and nutrients. Plants become dependent on constant feeding, unable to withstand drought or pests. The real solution isn't more intervention, but less. Instead of feeding the plant, we must feed the soil. Healthy soil creates strong, resilient plants that can fend for themselves. When we nurture the ecosystem underground, plants grow with a vigor no chemical can match. It's time to shift our focus, build the soil, and the plants will thrive. This approach breaks the cycle of dependency and restores balance to our gardens. The secret to explosive growth lies beneath our feet, not in a bottle. By working with nature, we create gardens that are both beautiful and sustainable. It's a return to a partnership that has always worked best. Building living soil is simple with the no-dig layered method. Start by mowing any grass or weeds, then lay down overlapping sheets of plain cardboard. This smothers weeds and feeds earthworms as it breaks down. Next, add a thick layer of rich compost. This is the foundation for your plants and soil life. Top it with 2 to 4 inches of organic mulch, like wood chips or straw. The mulch conserves moisture, regulates temperature, and slowly feeds the soil as it decomposes. With these layers, your garden bed is ready. No digging required. To plant, part the mulch, dig into the compost, and set your plant in. Roots thrive in the compost, while earthworms and microbes transform the layers below. The cardboard softens, inviting life upward and creating deep, fertile soil. This method turns any patch of ground into a living, productive garden. You're not just planting, you're starting a self-renewing ecosystem. The result: healthier plants and richer soil, season after season. The real magic happens underground, where microbes transform compost and mulch into plant food. Bacteria and fungi break down organic matter, making nutrients available right at the roots. Plants feed these microbes with sugars and in return receive minerals and water. A perfect partnership. Deep, infrequent watering encourages roots to grow deep and keeps the soil food web thriving. For a boost, drench the soil with compost tea, steep compost in aerated water, then pour it on. This floods your garden with beneficial microbes, jump-starting the soil ecosystem. With living soil, plants get what they need when they need it. No synthetic fertilizers required. Healthy soil means explosive, resilient growth above ground. This soil-first approach works wonders in containers too. Use a large pot filled with compost and an aeration material like perlite, then top with mulch. Living soil in containers means steady nutrients and less watering. Even heavy feeders like tomatoes and peppers thrive without synthetic fertilizers. Add compost tea occasionally to keep microbes active and nutrients flowing. Plants grow stronger, resist pests, and can even be overwintered indoors for a head start next season. With this method, you're not just growing plants, you're cultivating a thriving ecosystem, even in a pot. Container gardening becomes easier, more productive, and more sustainable. To keep your living soil thriving, avoid letting it dry out and never till or disturb the layers. Harvest outer leaves or fruits regularly to encourage more growth. Each season, the soil improves, deeper, richer, and more alive. Earthworms and microbes do the hard work, making your garden more resilient and easier to manage. The true harvest isn't just vegetables, it's the legacy of healthy, living soil. By feeding the soil, you create a self-sustaining ecosystem that grows stronger every year. Step back from chemicals and let nature do the work. The result: explosive growth, resilient plants, and a garden that flourishes for generations.